captain's log. We had our first Nevada boat day.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we
Give me a
make
little
the
jiggle.
Monday
Oh, in the
our
sunset.
masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so wild of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found hopeless hallelujah on this side of heaven's gate. Oh my life, how do ya breathe and take my breath away? At your altar I will pray, you're the sculptor, I'm the clay. Oh my, you're taking me out.
But I think we all got sunburned and had a lot of surfing in. I had a little issue unloading the boat, but you just gotta want it, and we wanted it.
We wanted it bad.
Loading was a lot easier than we anticipated.
Yes, just got to power it on. Say fuck it.
We just gotta want it.
And then we had ribs.
I cooked some ribs while we were on the water. Inverter or the smoker blew out, so they were a little raw when we came in to check on them. So I just blasted them on high, and hey, they were perfect.
They were amazing, like the sky. Like they pretty much cooked in the sun, and then they were amazing. Like I just don't even know what you didn't wrap them. Didn't know 3, 2, 1, nothing.
Got some extras. We're gonna eat some ribs in the background. And
Water was 89 degrees in Lake Mead.
it was absolutely so hot.
Milk was a bad choice.
Who picked milk?
I think it was Little Drone.
He picked milk?
Yeah. Oh, we did. You remember he did milk and beer. That's his thing. See, right there. It's leaking out.
I don't know. All right.
Anyway,
I hope-
tomorrow's Havasu.
Tomorrow's Havasu. I hope we get a quiet but fun boys' night here.
Giggity giggity.
Giggity giggity. We're gonna go find some cool. Oh, you want to go tacos and beer? It's an Uber ride, but didn't sound convincing. Are you struggling over here?
She wants to know what we're doing. She said, "You just fucking around in bed?"
Yep.
I said, "Yes."
Gay boy stuff.
Gay boys.
So Daniel got lucky, and we got his tacos and his beer. And then Jenny 1 and Jenny 2 showed up at the airport, and we started stocking up for the next portion of our trip. Trips to Costco, trips to grocery stores, and a rather large trip to a liquor store. And then we were back on the road again in Heffy with the Tigé in tow.
Doing the whoopsies.
This is pretty fucking weird, man.
California. Didn't start whooping until we ate to California.
Who builds a road like this?
Californians.
They literally just paved the road over the landscape.
Yeah. Like, why didn't you level it?
They brought a paving machine out here and laid asphalt. Alright, just pave it.
Well, I mean,
It's still better than Alberta Road where it just bangs.
This is not better than Alberta.
Yeah, but these don't like really hurt you.
It's better than Saskatchewan.
If you went fast, you just launch though. Perhaps not pulling a boat.
I'm sure there's semis love this fucking road.
Oh yeah.
It wakes them up.
Well, then a freak rainstorm happened upon us, and then a terribles. And then we filled up the truck for the last time on the southern leg of the journey until we got to Lake Havasu City and found our Airbnb home for the coming week.
touching down from a 6-night honeymoon. Sun-kissed kiss, still drunk on love. Went from all-inclusive margaritas in Malibu to praying we could pay rent this month. That doormat says welcome home, but I think it's wherever I'm with you. It's more than some bricks and stone. No, there ain't nothing like home sweet. You and me ain't got much, but we got all we need. Wherever the wind blows, wherever this life goes, baby, all I know ain't nothing like home sweet. You and me. Your love is like a porch swing on Sunday, just as gentle as a summer sunrise. They say it's where the heart is. Well, mine's with you, babe. Long as I got your hand, I'm fine.
So that night, the five of us finally had a chance to settle in. We picked up some groceries. Daniel's made us a really amazing supper, which he always just seems to create out of nothing. And we finally had a time to just relax, enjoy the sunset, and hang out by the pool. Because tomorrow, it's time to go boating. Well, the next day we woke up to another beautiful day. Got the boat hooked up to the truck and headed on down to the marina. So this is actually called Lake Havasu Marina. Massive marina, and we picked up a slip for the week, which is pretty handy. And then went about getting the boat launched and filled up. And for some reason, just old GM trucks allowed here. Weirdest thing, but worked just fine for us. Then over to the bridge.
slight update for us here. Havasu has just kind of thrown us a little bit of a mix. The heat here has been phenomenal. We've been
So hot.
averaging about 39 degrees Celsius.
I'm looking kind of red.
You got some pasty white on you too.
Well, that's the fucking 50
Yeah, I know.
SPF.
You don't know how to
my
rub it
beard.
in.
I look like Santa Claus now.
We have had a lot of wind during the week. Unsurfable. We don't know the good coves. We have got some surfing in, but that also did result in a fine from the California Sheriff's Department. So we have a misdemeanor over here.
Gotta go to Needles on
Ice.
December the 2nd.
ICE might be coming for him.
We're calling the agency. We're getting this dealt with.
I'm calling ICE on you.
All right.
Anyways,
Better call Paul.
we've been enjoying the pool. Saul.
Paul.
Oh, Paul, yeah. I would call Paul. We've been enjoying the pool here. We had a good hot tub. It's just
Over there.
phenomenal house. Hot tub here. Just great spot. Boat's been doing good in the marina. We've got kind of a shit show. The boat is very well lived in right now. We have an island living on the bimini top, full of boards, full of jackets. We pulled up to Ghost Bar,
Ghost Saloon. Ghost Mine Saloon.
and we pulled up to 24 RZX,
Brand new, yeah.
and this thing looked pristine, like it
Peanut butter interior.
never been driven before.
Yeah, they
then
wear it off the lot to
yeah,
that bar.
yeah. And then we roll up, and
Yeah,
we
we
had
had like a fucking-
we had birds eating chips in ours in the marina.
It's like a fucking chuck wagon. Family falling out the back. Yeah.
Had a good day in the channel. A couple of good in and outs of the channel. Met some Tigé owners.
Yeah.
Seen a lot of bit of. Oh, get out of here.
It's a Tiger Rock.
Seen quite a few Tigé boats out here.
Seen a few Tigers.
More than
About to see a lot more.
Yeah, more than we've seen in previous spots.
Yeah.
We'll see if we run into them at the reunion.
And the wave's been slamming too. We got those extra ballast bags.
Oh man,
She big.
we got a good wave going here.
Good horsepower here,
even
too.
with little amount of people in the boat.
It's been a good wave. Very good.
Had a good brisket. Oh, and I made brisket sandwiches on the boat the first day out here. Second day out
I
here.
call it the devil's brisket because he cooked it in the sun.
So I caught the Traeger on fire with the brisket. Then we turned the Traeger off and we just let it sit in the sun all day while we surfed.
12 hours.
Came back, wrapped it in foil, cooked it at 300 for about 2 hours.
They cooked it overnight.
Oh no, I did. At 225. I cooked it at no.
Yeah, it was something like
No, I cooked it at 180 because I was scared that it was going to run hot still.
that. It did run hot.
Cooked it at 180 overnight, wrapped it at 10 a.m. Cooked it, maybe it was 9, whatever.
It's about a 24-hour, 25-hour cook.
We have the graph on meter, so we can insert graph here.
We, it was amazing. It was amazing brisket.
The devil's brisket of Havasu.
Yeah, just cook it in the sun, folks.
Yeah,
That's all you need to do.
great marbling.
It literally got to 110 degrees on its own.
Just sitting in the Traeger in the sun.
Traeger in the sun.
We got a pork roast. No, beef roast. Why can't I talk right now? I got a beef roast on the Traeger right now. Gonna make some little beef slider tacos for us with sweet potatoes.
Yeah, it's match made in heaven. Right
There you go.
And yeah, tomorrow's river run.
Yeah, we're heading up the river with the Tigé group. I'm looking forward to that.
Checking out this joint.
It's gonna be good. Are we checking out to
Friday morning.
Friday.
Morning. And then we got 3 more folks coming in.
Looking
I
forward to the
guess
reunion.
We'll catch you in on the river run tomorrow, I think.
We should do one of these on the river. We would slack it. Okay.
groove. Busted.